So I'm going to be using some silicone spray to clean that. See how dirty that gets? And we're in an area where the pollen is like really bad. So what I'm going to do is basically spray some silicone on this rag. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be wiping this seal down. And see how it's getting kind of like that dirt off. So let me get a little more aggressive with it and I'll show you what it looks like. So that's the before. So that is the dirt that came off. And you can kind of see where I stopped. So to the right is still dirty. This is clean, and that's just going to help it make a, let me get a better focus. That's just going to help make a better seal. You can also use like Armor All or something on there, and then you'll see the gap once I close this up. Let me clean the other side and I'll show you what it looks like when it's closed. All right, and that is how much dirt I got off that seal. So let's close it up and I'll show you where the water gets in and why you want to clean that seal. All right, so let me get that to focus out a little bit better. But so can you see this gap right here? So that seal has to make a nice tight seal, and if it's dirty and full of pollen and dirt, especially if you drive around a lot with this open, that is going to be like a dirt magnet and not make a good seal. So you want to make sure that you clean that pretty often. Anyway, Brian from GarageMahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.